Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing this awesome smoky eye look, so if you want to learn how to do this look on yourself, make sure to stop and keep on watching. Alright girls, so go ahead and grab that Mario Bedescu Rosewater spray and spray it everywhere for extra hydration. Then go in with some Embryolisse cream to lock in that moisture. Now we're going to use this NYX brow pencil. All we're going to do is just follow the natural shape of our brows and lightly stroke in the color to give it that more darkened effect. Now ladies, if you use less pressure, it's more subtle. If you put more pressure on the pencil, it's going to look way darker. So don't forget that whatever you do on one side, you're going to go ahead and do it on the other side. And ladies, do not forget to use that spoolie. Use that spoolie, girl, and blend it out. Now we're going to go ahead and take this CoverGirl concealer and this flat brush, and we're going to go ahead and just clean up the brows. You're just going to take a little bit of this concealer and just follow the natural shape of your brow just so that it can look more clean on the top and the bottom. You don't need that much, so just go ahead and grab whatever is already on there to go ahead and make the cleaned line on the top. And then just go ahead and blend it out with a beauty blender. Now, like I said before, whatever you did on one side, you're going to go ahead and do to the other side. So grab a little bit more of concealer and go ahead and follow the natural shape of your brow to clean it up again. And like I said, whatever you do on the bottom, go ahead and do it to the top. And you're just going to go ahead and grab your beauty blender and blend it all out, girl. So now that we blended everything out, I'm going to take this banana setting powder and go ahead and set my eyes so I'm ready for my eyeshadow look. Next, we're taking this CoverGirl foundation and I'm going to pump it on the back of my hand to warm it up and apply it on my face. Taking a damp beauty blender, go ahead and blend out that foundation all over the face. Remember to use your beauty blender nice and wet, but not dripping. You need to have it moist enough to where it can blend out the foundation seamlessly so that it can give you that airbrush looked effect. Now I'm going to be using this Sephora foundation in a darker tone so that I can use it as a contour color. Taking your finger, go ahead and put small dots all around your forehead and your cheek area where you want to make it look more hollow to make your face look thinner. I also applied it on my nose as well. Go ahead and grab that wet beauty blender again and blend out that contour color. Doing this, you'll see that you're getting that snatched look without the harsh lines. So go ahead and blend it out, girl. Going back with our CoverGirl concealer, we're going to go ahead and apply it under the eyes. I like to highlight after I contour my face and blend it out, just because I already know where I want my concealer and I'm not going to move it anywhere else from where I have placed it. So now with my damp beauty blender, I'm going to go ahead and blend everything out so that I could get that seamless look and airbrush effect. Now that we blended out that concealer, we need to go immediately in with some loose powder. This is going to make sure that everything stays in place and doesn't move. With that same sponge, we're going to go ahead and use the Access powder to set our T-zone area. This is to make sure that we have no shine anywhere in the face where we don't want it. For a more defined look, go ahead and grab more powder and with the tip of the sponge, cut those cheeks, girls. This is going to give the illusion of a more chiseled face and it's going to make your makeup look 10 times better. Now just grab a loose fluffy brush and just dust off the Access powder. Now I'm taking this M.A.C powder to set that foundation contour that I applied on my face earlier. With a fluffy brush, we're going to go ahead and set that contour area by tapping the color into the skin. There is no swiping in this, so make sure that you tap it into the skin to give you that flawless look. Now it's time for blush. Taking an angled face brush, we're going to go ahead and add the blush color to the apples of the cheeks. Going in with my Dose of Colors palette from the Desi and Katy Friendcation palette, I'll be using the color Churro as my crease color for this look today. I'll be using this fluffy brush from Morphe to blend out that color all in the crease area. So what we did to one side, we're going to do to the other side. Go back and grab that Churro color and put it in the crease area and blend it out. Going back into the Desi x Katy palette, we're going to grab the color Game Over and apply it all over the lid. Girl, don't at me because I already saw the clip. I messed up and I pointed at the wrong thing. The correct color is game over. So using your finger or an eyeshadow brush, get that color and apply it all over the lid. Pack it on as much as you can to make it more opaque and get it as dark as it needs to be. It's liner time, girls, and I'm using the Anastasia liquid liner for this look. Girl, if you have not tried this liner, you are so sleeping on it. Not only is it super black and opaque, but it's waterproof as well. Seriously, it reminds me of the NYC liquid liner that got discontinued. Comment down below with the crying emoji if you remember that liner because I miss it so much. But even though this is a high-end eyeliner, I definitely love it and would definitely recommend it. Now for my favorite pair of lashes. These are in the style Calm from Couture lashes. Ladies, I have a promo code down below in the description box so that you can order you a pair of these light and super fluffy lashes. I guarantee you will fall in love with these lashes and you will never wear anything else but couture lashes. We're almost done, girl. Go ahead and grab a nude lip liner and a nude lipstick or lip shade and go ahead and fill in them lips, girl. We got a lot of smokiness going on in the eye, so we don't want to take away from that because that's basically our center of attention. So make sure that the lip color you use is something more subtle so that way everything just meshes in together. And don't forget, ladies, that all the items used for this tutorial is listed in the description box, so feel free to pause the video whenever you like just to check it out. I'll be using this Urban Decay setting spray to set my face to make sure that nothing moves. We'll be using this Artist Couture highlighter and we're going to go ahead and place that on the bridge of the nose and the tip of the nose and definitely those cheekbones, girls, because we need that highlight to be popping. Oh yeah, that highlight is definitely popping, girl. And that's it, ladies. This is the look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And definitely hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. Till next time, bye.